I already have showed you how to install WordPress locally on your computer with Bitnami. Link of that video is given in the description. Check that link if you want to host WordPress on computer with Bitnami. But in this video, I will show you another cool software that is fast, free, and easy to use, and you can create multiple WordPress sites. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. This way you can receive my upcoming videos. The software I am talking about is called LocalWP. To download this software, go to your browser and search LocalWP and then click on localwp.com. Link is also given in the video description. Once you are on this page, click on Free Download. Now, select your operating system, enter your name and email, and click on Get It Now. Now, wait for the download to finish. Once download is completed, run the setup file. Click on Next and select the folder where you want to install LocalWP. Click on Install to begin the installation process. When installation is done, make sure Run Local checkbox is marked and click on Finish. Software is installed successfully. Now it's time to create a WordPress website. Click on Create a New Site. Enter your website name and click on Continue. Choose the environment you want to set up for your WordPress website. I'd like to go with Preferred. You can choose Custom if you want to work on a specific PHP version, web server, or database, and then click on Continue. Now, enter WordPress username, password, and email, and click on Add Site. Make sure to note these details because you will need these details to log into your WordPress website. It will only take a minute or two, and your website will be ready. Once site is ready, click on Admin to log into your locally hosted WordPress website. Enter username, password, and click on Login. Congratulations! Your website is ready. That's it for this video. If you want to learn how to transfer your locally hosted WordPress website to a web server, click on the link given in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.